The longest journey. It begins in the heart of a star. Here, under unimaginable pressure and at temperatures of 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, the process of nuclear fusion crushes atoms together. In this stellar forge, a particle is born, a tiny, massless packet of pure energy, a photon. For 100,000 years, this photon, which we will call lux, ricochets within the star's dense core, its journey to the surface a chaotic, random walk. Suddenly, a colossal magnetic eruption, a solar flare, arches millions of miles from the sun's surface. This event launches countless particles into the void, and among them is lux. Now free from the star's gravity, it travels in a perfectly straight line at the ultimate speed limit of the universe, 186,000 miles per second. Its 8-minute journey to the third planet has begun. The 93-million-mile gap between the Sun and Earth is a near-perfect vacuum. Lux travels across this immense distance, one of trillions of photons making the same voyage. While its siblings travel to other worlds or fly off into deep space, Lux's trajectory is precise. It carries with it the fundamental information of its birth, a specific wavelength of light that will one day be interpreted as color. It encounters the first hint of its destination, a fragile, gaseous envelope called the atmosphere. This thin blue line is a protective shield. As Lux enters, many of its fellow photons are scattered by molecules of air, creating the blue hue of the sky. But Lux's path is true. It pierces the veil, its energy undiminished, its long journey nearing its end. The final stage of its journey is through a complex biological filter, the canopy of an ancient oak tree. Some photons are absorbed by leaves, their energy powering the quiet miracle of photosynthesis. Others are reflected. Lux, however, finds a clear path, slipping between the shifting leaves, its light dappling the ground below. On the ground lies the target, a human being named Ilara, a complex organism at rest. Her body is a collection of systems, but one is specifically designed to receive the information that Lux carries, the visual system. She is the final destination in a chain of events that began in the core of a star, long before she was born. As if on cue, her eyes open. Iris, a universe of deep, liquid brown, adjusts. The pupil dilates, and the biological lens, a marvel of natural engineering, focuses. In that fraction of a second, Lux passes through this gateway. Its journey as a particle of light is almost over. Lux strikes the retina at the back of the eye. Its journey ends in a blaze of glory. The photon's energy is absorbed by a specialized photoreceptor cell. In an instant, light is converted into chemistry, and chemistry into a tiny electrical pulse. The photon is gone, but its message has been received. The electrical signal, the ghost of the photon, now travels along the optic nerve. It is a whisper of data, racing toward the visual cortex at the back of the brain. Here, in this vast and beautiful network of neurons, the signal will be processed, decoded, and interpreted. Ilara blinks. A slow, light smile graces her lips. Her brain has interpreted the signal. The information, carried for 93 million miles, has become a conscious thought, the image of a sun-dappled leaf. The photon's long journey is over, its energy transformed into a moment of perception, a fleeting piece of beauty in the human mind.